Welcome to the Beaches, one of Toronto's most charming and vibrant neighborhoods. So whether you're a local or planning to move to this part of the city, join me as we explore everything that the Beaches has to offer. Hey, it's Amanda here with the Moving to Toronto team. If you're thinking about moving to Toronto or the surrounding suburbs, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now so that you're the first to know about the current market here in Toronto. We love helping people just like you who are looking to make that move to Toronto. So whether that's in 9 days or 90 days, reach out to us. All of our contact information is down below. The Beaches, also simply known as The Beach to some locals, is located on the eastern edge of Toronto along the beautiful Lake Ontario shoreline. This neighborhood is known for its laid-back vibe, sunny beaches, and a vibrant community spirit. First, let's take a look at the map to see what the borders are of this neighborhood. Okay, so the Beaches is on the east side of Toronto in the Scarborough area. And if you look at the borders, you're going to see that to the north is Kingston Road. To the west side is Coxwell Avenue. To the east side is going to be Victoria Park Avenue. And then at the bottom, at the south side, of course, is Lake Ontario. Fun little fact for you guys. Actor and singer Miley Cyrus actually lived in this area with her father while he was filming in town for a movie called Doc, and it was for 4 years. So she actually lived here for 4 years of her life. Historically, the Beaches was a popular resort destination in the early 19th century, attracting visitors from all over with its amusement parks, boardwalks, and scenic views. The different amusement parks included Victoria Park, Maroon Park, and Scarborough Beach Park. Today, their namesakes remain as streets. Beginning in 1890s, there was a ferry service called the Victoria Park Ferry to the area, in addition to streetcar service on Queen Street, from Yonge Street and ending after the closure of the parks. Over the years, it has evolved into a beloved residential area. Let's start with the most obvious attraction here, which is the beaches themselves. You have a few beach options here, which is Woodbine Beach, Kew Beach, Balmy Beach, and Silver Birch Beach, which offers stunning waterfront views, sandy shores, and plenty of recreational activities. So whether you're into swimming, sunbathing, or just taking a leisure stroll along the boardwalk, there's something here for absolutely everyone. And let's talk Woodbine Beach, the most popular beach in the area compared to all the other beaches. It's the perfect spot for a summer day out. And if you're into water sports, there's plenty to do here, from kayaking to paddle boating, and of course, the beach volleyball. So let's go check it out. Along Woodbine Beach is the iconic boardwalk stretching 3 kilometers from Ashbridges Bay to Balmy Beach. The boardwalk is a favorite among locals and visitors alike. As you stroll along, you'll encounter joggers, cyclists, and families enjoying the view. The boardwalk is lined with benches where you can sit and soak in the scenery of this beautiful atmosphere. Next, we have Kew Gardens, a beautiful park right in the heart of the Beaches. Kew Gardens features lovely flower beds, open green spaces, and even a charming bandstand where local events and concerts are often held. This beautiful, maintained park is the perfect spot for a family picnic, a game of tennis, or just relaxing in the shade. You definitely don't want to miss this park. Throughout the summer, it hosts various community events, including the most famous Beaches International Jazz Festival, among others. The Martin Goodman Trail is another highlight. This multi-use trail spans the Toronto waterfront, providing cyclists, joggers, and walkers with a scenic route throughout the city. Stretching over 56 kilometers, this trail connects many of Toronto's waterfront attractions. It's a great way to explore the beaches and beyond, all while staying active. Finally, we have Balmy Beach. This spot is a bit quieter than Woodbine Beach, making it ideal for those looking for a more relaxed beach experience. Balmy Beach is known for its quiet, beautiful waters and its beautiful views. It's a perfect place for a peaceful day by the water, whether you're looking to just sit down and read or simply just enjoy the scenery. This is going to be your spot. Let's start with one of the most important aspects for families moving to the beaches, which is the schools. The neighborhood boasts some of the most excellent educational institutions, both for elementary school and high school options, like the Kew Beaches Junior Public School, the Balmy Beach Community School, and St. Denis School. These are some of the top-rated schools in this area, and they're known for their dedicated teachers and strong community involvement. There are also a number of privately funded schools in the neighborhood, so you have lots of options here. Getting around the beaches and Toronto is a breeze thanks to the great public transportation options. The iconic TTC streetcars and buses run throughout this neighborhood, offering a convenient and a scenic way to travel downtown and beyond. If you want to get to the beach using public transportation, you could get there from the Queen subway station. All you have to do is take the 501 Queen streetcar eastbound to Coxwell Avenue or beyond, up to Victoria Park Avenue. For those who prefer a more active mode of transportation, the neighborhood is bike-friendly with plenty of bike lanes. And if you drive, the great news is that you have easy access to both the DVP and the Gardiner Expressway. Now let's explore some of the fantastic local businesses that give the beaches its unique charm. So whether it's unique shops, different cafes, or dining options, there is so much to do here in this neighborhood. So let's take a look at some of the popular spots that you want to check out. So now let's talk about the real estate market here in the beaches. The beaches neighborhood is known for its mix of housing styles. From historic homes to sleek modern condos, there's something here for absolutely everyone. This area is highly sought after thanks to its beautiful surroundings and its vibrant community. Currently, the average home in the beaches is $1.7 million, with the majority in the range of $1.5 to $2 million. The beach largely features detached homes, accounting for 34% of sales, followed by semi-detached homes at 31% and condos at 30%. The majority of properties have 3 bedrooms, and the mean rent price is $2,800 per month. Like always, now we're going to look at what is currently on sale in this neighborhood right now at the lowest price point, the mid price point, and the highest price point, so that you can get an idea of what type of homes are on sale in this neighborhood right now. So let's take a look. We hope that you enjoyed today's neighborhood tour video. If you did, click that like button and leave a comment down below. Let us know what you liked best about the beaches area. And if you're thinking about making a move to Toronto or the surrounding suburbs, go ahead and give us a call, text, or email. All of our contact information is down below. And if you would like to see more videos that are just like this, click this one next. And until next time, guys, see you around the city and God bless.